Okay, this next app is called Animal Sounds. And it's an app basically about that, helping kids to associate the animals with the sounds. So let's open it up. We've got three different types of gameplay here. Well, let's have a look at free play. Free play gives you all of the animals and the pictures within the game, and when you touch one, you get the sound of that animal. So this is obviously where they would start to associate the sounds with the animals and get used to them. Maybe there's someone here you don't know. This one always gets me because I think it's the monkey, but it's the dolphin. I guess that sounds like a monkey. Anyway, that's the free play to get you used to the sounds. Let's go into recognition mode, and we have 3 levels. Let's start off with level 1, and we'll run through these quickly. So you hear a sound, and you have to slide the animal that makes that sound into the square. We have question 1 out of 5. I think it's a frog. And if you don't know, you just press it again. Let's say we get it wrong. So the nice thing about this is that not only the sounds are very nice, but the graphics are very child friendly, very nice. Everything runs smoothly, lovely colors. Let's look at level 2. We get 4 options here, and we get 2 animals that make a sound at the same, one after the other. So let's hear that again. We get 10 questions. So I think it was the cow, and then it's either the monkey sliding down a slide or it's the snake. Okay, so this is level 2. Let's go straight into level 3, and we'll do 2 or 3 on level 3. Now on this one you get 10 questions again, but you get 3 animals to choose from, one after the other. So listen again. And I don't even remember what it was. There we go. Okay, and the same with this. Obviously, if you get them wrong, it'll tell you that you've got the combination wrong. We got it wrong. Oh, I thought I had that right. There we go, finally. Okay, so you get the idea. That's the 1, 2 and 3 levels on that one, and let's go into the memory game. Again, 3 levels. Start out on level 1. This is a simple memory game. If you get one wrong and they don't match, you lose points, you get timed, and it's all based on sound. It doesn't actually turn over, so it's actually all about the sound. And you get the idea. Almost got my record, but not quite. And we'll go back out. I'm not going to do all of these and bore you to death. Level 2 has a lot more choices, the same gameplay, and then level 3 has obviously, what is that, 5, 10, 15, 30 choices there to keep your little one occupied for quite a long time. But really nice, really well put together, lovely colors, very smooth, very simple, and it's called Animal Sounds.